What's up guys, hello here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this issue that I had with my BMW E46 Convertible 330Ci. And that issue was that the roof won't close at all. And also the roof, it won't wind and stuff like that. So basically what I noticed was, it was the latches, the ones that sit right here. This right here is an example, like they all like break off. This right here is an example of a broken one. Here on the other side is another example of a broken one. Right here, you see like they break right here. So that causes it not to like close anymore. Even like if you try to do it manually, automatic, it'll all like become bad. This is like cheap stuff that they use on this car. Also, I'm gonna have to change the gears to metal instead of the plastic. Also, another issue is this right here, the wire kinks up over time and then it rips. I put electrical tape, but still going through that, so I'm probably gonna have to change out the whole wiring there. And also, like, so this was the issue right here. Also, this right here, this piece right here, the shock that goes all the way to the latch right here, it kind of goes like from here all the way up to like right there. It's all controlled by this. This right here has something to do with this right here. So if you ever see this is misaligned and keeps popping out of place and stuff like that, it's probably this right here because of the tension right here. It just like broken, so it won't be able to sit in place. I thought I could just adjust this, but still like I was having the issue where it just keeps popping off, stuff like that. And probably would never own an E46 convertible and use it like with the top down. I was driving this thing a lot with the top down and came into the issue with the convertible top right here. But it should be like $30–40 at max to fix it with parts. The dealership quoted me about like $4,000 or $5,000 to do this job. I believe they stated it needed more stuff than it is, and also like $600 to quote me just to like take a look at it. So I just didn't want to give money to the dealership, so I just went ahead and DIY'd it. You'll have to take off like all this stuff right here. I took off everything right here. Thank you guys for watching the video and have a good one.